Well, here it is, a nice sunny day in Pigeon Forge, and that's where Mary and I are hunkering down for the coronavirus. In our last videos, we were in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and everything in front of us seemed to have been closing down, so we decided to head back home, and we're going to try it again in June. Well, since we have plenty of time in our hands, we're starting to get into some projects that we have been looking forward to. And one thing Mary and I miss most on our 4 years of journeys across America is having some nice outdoor cooking, steaks on a grill, hamburgers. We just miss that. And after 4 years, we think we came up with a solution. And again, the solution being we wanted to cook outdoors. We wanted to cook on, in this case, gas. There's a lot of charcoal available, but I really don't want to wait around to put the charcoal out, and then you got to clean the mess up afterwards. But again, our goal is to have steak on a grill. And again, like I was saying, when we were in Outdoor World, they had a grill, and it's a Blackstone tailgater combo. Now, what makes the tailgater combo interesting is that it breaks down. You know, unlike the big grills that you normally get at your house. You know, where do you put them, on your back bumper? You know, how do you break them down? How do you carry them? How do you store them till you go on to your next opportunity or place you're going to stay? So we've always put it off for that particular reason. How do we get it from point A to point B? So with this outdoor tailgater, and I'll show you how much or how little space it takes, and we'll try setting it up, and then we'll see how it works out. As you can see from my storage compartment, which isn't very large, the Blackstone tailgater only takes up this little amount of space, and it's all compartmentized, and it breaks down, and we'll try setting it up, but that's literally how much space it takes, and I'm quite thrilled because I have two very good looking steaks that we're going to try cooking later. I'm going to start taking her out piece by piece. I'm going to lay her out here, and then we'll assemble them in just a minute. This is the grill cooking section of it. I'm going to take the top off, and I won't be able to do it. You'll have to see that later. Drip trays. Extension legs. Grill bottom. And on one side it is a standard grill for cooking hamburgers and steak, and the other side is a flat grill for cooking pancakes in the morning. So as you can see, each of them was very easy to pick out and take out of the storage unit and set on the table here. And what I'll do is I'll start taking some photos as I start assembling it. Okay, I got the first section here, as you can see, and the legs just smack out and lock in a locking mechanism. And then you're going to take your four legs, and there's indentions in here. Going to slide it in, and there we go. And then put the four legs into place. I'm fighting the wind today. It's kind of breezy. I guess we got storms coming in. And that's how we're going to do the four legs. Okay, we got the four legs set, and like I said, it was just slide in the extension on the legs, and there's knobs that you just tighten down to get it extend. Now on the grill itself, there's two sections. First one I'm going to take is the flat grill, which is the pancake French toast grill, and there's four slots. Okay, easy as that. going to take the second side of the grill, which is right here. Again, there's 4 slots. And it's as easy as that. I'll be honest, I had to go check the directions on the drip plates. The grill itself has the oil in the front right-hand corner, and this hooks in a slot underneath, just like that. And there's one on the other side, and again, that drains out towards the back. So this is your drip trays for your butter, your fat, your oil. Of course, if you're doing bacon, which you have to do in the morning, for your bacon grease. Here's the grill itself. It's the top section, your cooking grills, your drip grill underneath, which is going to channel all your fat into the back corner into this one. This one here is for your French toast, your pancakes, your bacon, and it's going to drip through the front right-hand corner into the drip tray. All I have to do is hook up the gas tank, and we're ready to go. So here we go. We have it assembled. As you can see, the propane tank is right there. It hooks up to the hose. There is a chain, and they said this is a match holder, but it does have a automatic igniter, so I'm not sure why. The grill top itself, as I said, you can see in here, it has the grill top along with the drip pan underneath. Here is the flat surface. Again, the lock knobs for the leg, which I showed you about, which I'm going to tighten down now. I didn't do it yet. Okay, so it's tightened down. And these are for the lower extensions. I'm going to push to turn it on. Yep, and start it right up. And do this one here. And that one started right up. And we're good to go. So I have a good shot at getting our steaks on tonight. I'll take a few pictures. We'll add to the end of the video. And again, there's some nice Del Monte. We picked them up, oh geez, I guess I don't even remember. But we're looking forward to it with some mushrooms and onions and peppers. And this is used for outdoor staycations. Getting ready to try out a new Blackstone grill. Like I said, the gem of this is you saw how tight and compact it was. I was able to pack it up, slide it in my compartment, take it out in 5 minutes, put it back together, and when it comes to the reverse time, I'll be able to pack it back up and put it back into the same spot. So I'm thrilled. After 4 years, we're going to be able to start grilling again. And to be honest, heck with the steak, I'm looking forward to my first sausage, link, and hamburger. This is used for outdoor staycation. Gives us a thumbs up, subscribe, and may safe journeys wherever the road takes you.